very good morning and welcome back to Morning News on NewsX. It's time now to bring you all the entertainment news. I'm Akshay. Now, actor Vidya Balan took time out from shooting for the Big B and Abhishek Bachchan star apart to attend an art exhibition in Mumbai. And apart from looking ravishing, which she seems to be doing a good job of these days, she had quite a bit to say. And no, it wasn't just about art.
It was the inauguration of an art exhibition, and even as she admired the work on display, Vidya Balan chose the platform to express her concern about the recent violence against Indians in Australia, taking a cue from her PA co-star Big B, who has refused to accept an honorary doctorate from an Australian university.
It's very, very disturbing. I think this kind of a situation anywhere is disturbing, and all the more because there are people from our country who are being targeted. I think it's almost despairing. One does not know what to do.
But the topic shifted to the painting soon enough. Titled The Colors of Mythical Love, the collection put on canvas by eminent artist Kiran Chandra is inspired by, you guessed it, the moods of love.
अपने देवी देवताओं को लेकर उनका प्रेम बहुत ही सच्चा था. जैसे कृष्ण राधा को ले लीजिए, कृष्ण मीरा को ले लीजिए, राम सीता को ले लीजिए. तो मैं सब आज के इसमें मैं बताना चाह रही हूँ प्रेजेंट माहौल में कि आप उनसे इंस्पायर होकर थोड़ा वैसे ही बने.
It's lovely the way she's used different colors with black to create that a very, I don't know what she calls it really, but I love the paintings. I've gone through most of them.
From expressing regret about events in Australia as a concerned citizen to simply appreciating the beauty of colours and love. Actor Vidya Balan is wearing many hats and on a slimmer frame. Shweta Dogra, NewsX, Mumbai.
And on that note, it's a wrap of all the news at this hour. We are stepping into a short break, after which Nandini joins you with the latest news and updates. Meanwhile, you can log on to our website. That's www.newsx.com for all the latest. Thanks for watching and have a good day ahead.